Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. Now in today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about how you can actually make money recording videos. I have made a video like that about a month ago with Atlas Capture, and we showed you how to actually join the annotation pool, and you can start on their annotation tasks, and also you can join their robotic training projects to which they have, and you could potentially earn up to $10, which is actually quite true and documented by a lot of workers on Atlas. Now since that video, there's multiple AI labs that have emerged that are quite operating the same project. So if you have some spare time, you want to make money on the side, maybe you are an outdoor person, you go for a stroll in the park, maybe you want to make money from your household duties, you want to record yourself doing some household tasks and you want to get paid, then this is the perfect video for you. Now before we jump into these four websites, kindly drop a like and comment down below, and definitely subscribe to the channel so you won't miss on our latest videos about making money online. Now the very first website that we gonna be talking about is called claru.ai. The links guys will be in the description down below, so everything will be pinned. All you have to do is just follow the links. Now for claru.ai, they are following the same fashion like I mentioned with Atlas Capture, and you can, once you click on for annotators up top. Let me just go back, click on for annotators, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, scroll all the way down, you can read more about the project itself, the lab itself, but most importantly, click on browse open roles, and in here you can see the roles that are open right now, and they are shortlisting right away as well. So if you see this video, then go ahead and claim your spot. Now once you click on browse open positions, it will take you to the positions or roles tabs, and as you can see, there are different locations that are hiring from. So you got Latin America here, household tasks capture, DIY video capture Asia, you got Canada over here, Latin America as well here, the US, and more Asia. So it's really revolving around like 4 or 5 countries. So if you live in the US, Canada, Latin America, and again if you want to submit your interest in these positions, then you can just go away and submit your interests with Claro AI. Now if you want to submit or apply, all you need to do is just click on the role that you are interested in and click on apply now, and just follow along the signing up process or the submission process. Email, password, you're gonna answer some questions, and of course you're gonna provide your resume, and you are good to go. Now this is my dashboard on Claro AI, and once you create your account, it should be looking like this. And if we click on browse projects, you will see that we apply to the household egocentric with narration, and we are supposed to get paid $7 per each qualified tasks or per hour. So if we accumulate around an hour of footage and they get accepted, we get $7. This is how these projects work. So we got the instructions here, and obviously you're gonna have to qualify first. So you're gonna record some footage first. Once that get approved, you will have access to the production phase. So this is the first website, guys. The second website is called Perle.ai, and it actually works in collaboration with Atlas. So you can either join Atlas from Perle.ai or you can join from Atlas Capture. So I'm gonna leave the link to this form in the description down below, so you can have the right to choose which one that you want to follow. So if you want to register with Perle.ai, just follow along and click on the link in the description down below. It will take you to this page, and in here you can first and foremost fill out this form. So we'll leave that later on. And the second step is to join the Perle Expert Slack, which is by extension another Atlas Capture Slack group. So that's how you do it. Okay, and just down here there is like some instructions on how to be prepared for this project, essentially. So you need to have an iPhone 12 or newer, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy or newer. This is how to install the Perle app on your Android or your phone. And in here you have the different residential areas or geolocation. If you are in the US, you gotta use this code. Canada, same thing, and this one for Latin America. So this is how you sign up. Now all you need to do is just click on fill out this form and fill out this form of interest, and they will reach out to you via email if you get accepted. So this is how to join the same project on a different AI lab or vendor, whatever you're gonna call them, with Perle Ai. Now for the third website is actually mindrift, and for mindrift there is multiple tasks. Sometimes you get the face collection tasks, you got the robotics task, the household task that I was just talking about with claru, pretzel, atlas. Sometimes you get these simple tasks that you have to take some selfies and whatnot, and you can get paid for those. But overall, like mindrift is a good side income. You can actually work on these tasks and get a decent side income. If we go to payment, as you can see, we earn $16 on the left. It's not really much, but I'm just trying to show you and point out the legitimacy of this platform. So you can go ahead and start working with mindrift as well. And of course, the last platform that is recruiting right now for the same project as claru and pretzel with Perle Ai is Atlas themselves. You can go ahead and visit the link in the description down below. And all you need to do is just click on start earning, and you have two type of tasks like I mentioned in the previous video. You can go ahead and watch it. Go back to our YouTube. You can find a full-fledged video about Atlas, and you can sort of get a better understanding of how Atlas works and how you can sign up for both projects. Now, if we go back to Atlas right here, you are mostly interested in the second one, which is the record at home task. Click on get started, and it should take you to this instruction page. All you need to do is just download the app, set up your app with your account from Atlas, and you are good to go. So this is how you get started with Atlas Capture. Alrighty guys, we have reached the end of our video. This was just a quick tutorial on how to actually sign up with these different AI labs that are recruiting right now for this type of project. If you are interested in getting more news about AI labs, hiring, different roles and whatnot, you can definitely keep up by subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up and a follow as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. And yeah, this was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.